What's up, volleyball fans? We are back and still live here at the Western Conference in the Women's Division. Up next for the Women's Division, Municipality of Labrador contra Municipality of Anda. Expect the both teams are adjust their strategies at mas maging aggressive on this match. Kaya naman, the big question is, sino kaya ang makakuha ng win on this matchup? Abangan natin yan. Again, this is Marnie Anfibito, your courtside reporter, and let the game 4 begin.
Good morning once again to all our volleyball enthusiasts watching us live here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center, and to our viewers joining us through our live stream from different parts of Pangasinan and beyond. Welcome back to the Governor's Cup, Ramon. Welcome back to the Governor Ramon B. Guico Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, where another exciting women's division showdown is about to unfold.
Before we get underway, we would once again like to recognize the man behind this prestigious tournament, our beloved Governor Ramon Monmon V. Giga III. His steadfast commitment to sports development and youth empowerment has provided countless opportunities for our homegrown athletes to compete, grow, and showcase their talents on a bigger stage. Now it's time for our fourth match of the day, featuring two teams with different stories but one common goal: to earn a valuable victory. On one side of the court is Team Labrador, currently holding a solid 3-2 win-loss record. The team is coming into today's match with confidence after securing a victory in their previous outing. Leading that impressive performance was player of the game Charmaine Ocado, who once again demonstrated her ability to lead by example with her composure, consistency, and determination on both ends of the floor. With momentum on their side, Team Labrador will be looking to continue their winning ways and further improve their position in the standings.
Meanwhile, standing across the net is Team Anda, who enters today's contest with a 0-6 record. While the results have not gone their way so far, this team has continued to display resilience, heart, and the willingness to compete until the very last point. Every match is a new opportunity, and today presents another chance for Team Anda to turn things around and finally capture their first victory of the tournament. Expect them to come out determined, energized, and ready to challenge one of the conference's stronger teams.
Will Labrador continue climbing the standings with another convincing performance, or will Team Anda pull off an upset and celebrate a long-awaited first win? We're about to find out as these two teams prepare to leave everything on the court. I'm Maria Victoria Ferrer, together with my partner,
Joseph Soriano.
and let's get ready for another thrilling volleyball battle. First serve, jersey number 1, Jimenez. Received by the libero. 1-2. Free ball for Team Labrador. Valerio will set it to Ocado. Off speed. Jimenez is set kay Valenzuela. Magat. Is set. Cross court. Dog. To Valenzuela. And first point for Team Anda.
Jimenez.
Ocado swipes it off the blockers of Team Anda. First point.
Serving jersey number 14, Marayag. Valenzuela for the free ball. Marayag to the Ramos. Jimenez to Valenzuela.
And another point for Team Labrador. Serving jersey number 14, Marayag. Is received. Jimenez chases to Valenzuela. Marayag is set sa open, no, but free ball. Kaasi. Andun si Valerio. Set sa open. Libero will play setter here. Free ball. Marayag to Ramos. Not over. Point for Team Anda.
Valenzuela now serving. Marayag. Good ball. Jimenez sets back to the opposite, and that will be a point for Team Anda. 3 serving 2. Valenzuela serving. Marayag hinabol ang bola to the middle, up-speed attack. Still a point for Team Anda. 2-point lead here for Team Anda. Valenzuela. Marayag. Another point for Team Anda. Valenzuela. Andun si Palisok. Marayag to Valerio. Jimenez. Top to Mario. Ocado. Jimenez back sets. Marayag to Ocado. Point for Team Labrador. Serving jersey number 6, Ramos. To Studio. Marayag. To Ocado. That is inside. Point for Team Labrador. Ramos.
Service error there for Team
Labrador. Valenzuela.
Ocado. And a service ace for Charmaine Ocado. Back-to-back aces for jersey number 3. Kaasi will send it over. Ocado is set para kay Palisok, and Palisok finds zone 1. Ocado is received. Inangat. Valerio. Jimenez back set to Kaasi. And a point for jersey number 2.
Kaasi now serving. Marayag to Valerio. Ginawa ng paraan but won't go through. Point for Team Anda. We are tied here at 8. Marayag to Palisok.
Wow, what a powerful attack there by the captain. Serving jersey number 4, Valerio. Sharp serve.
Valerio.
Too strong. Marayag sinet kay Palisok. And then si Kaasi Jimenez itataas para kay Valenzuela. Ocado to Palisok. Off-speed attack works for the captain.
Serving jersey number 2, Aquino. Camero ginawa ng paraan. Ocado sets to Palisok. That will go through. And Team Anda will call for time. Aquino.
And a service ace for jersey number 2.
Aquino. Jimenez sinabol ang bola. 1-2 play. Andun si Marayag. Valerio sets to Palisok. Dog. Jimenez to Valenzuela. Point for Team Anda. Camero now serving.
Marayag, 1-2 play. Valenzuela is set sa open. Andun si Valerio. Okada chases. Free ball for Team Anda. Jimenez is set sa gitna, but another free ball for Team Labrador. Marayag. Jimenez to Valenzuela. And that is a point for Team Labrador.
Serving jersey number 15. Team captain, Palisok. Jimenez to Valenzuela. Valerio to Ramos.
Ay, dapat
Point.
pala hindi ko yung pato.
For Team Anda.
Serving jersey number 1, Jimenez. Valenzuela is set para kay Kaasi, and point for Team Anda. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Team Labrador. Service error for Team Anda.
Marayag now serving. Good serve. And that will be a service ace for Team Labrador. Official score is 16-13.
Kaasi, that is not over. Another point for Team Lingayen. No, rather Team Labrador, sorry. Jimenez sets to Valenzuela, and she finds zone 6. The service is for jersey number 18.
Valenzuela. Marayag sets to Valerio. Up speed. Jimenez is there. To Studio. Will
Too
send that out.
strong. Good serve. Service ace for Ramos.
4-point lead here for Team Labrador. 19 serving 15. Ramos. Valenzuela. That is out.
Double substitution here for Team Labrador. Valerio out, Manzano in. Marayag out, De La Cruz in.
Ramos.
Another service ace for jersey number 6. And timeout for Team Anda. Our official score is
6 points, 21-15.
still serving Ramos. Good reception. Jimenez is set kay Custudio, but that is too wide for Custudio. Valenzuela, good ball. Jimenez back set sa 4. Andun si Manzano. Okada will send it over. Jimenez is set kay Custudio. Drop ball. Regalo. And
Good ball. Valenzuela for the free ball. De La Cruz. That will work. That will work for jersey number 9. 2 points away for winning this set. Ramos serving.
too strong for that serve. 8-point lead. Valenzuela. And a service ace for the captain. Aquino is blocked.
Valenzuela. Ocado. De La Cruz. To Aquino.
And pinabawi right away. And we are now at set point.
Serving for the set. Ocado. And that ends our first set. 25-18. Winner, Labrador. You are still watching this live here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center, Lingayen, Pangasinan. This is the match between Team Labrador and Team Anda. Nasa set 2 na po tayo ng laro ngayong umaga. First to serve is Team Labrador, jersey number 9, De La Cruz.
Kaasi tataas para kay Valenzuela. De La Cruz, sinet kay Ocado, Andre Libero, Jimenez to Valenzuela. It's received. Free ball. Jimenez to Valenzuela. And the first point for the second set is Team Anda.
Jimenez. Point for Team Labrador. Ballesteros. Jimenez back sets to Kaasi. Andun si De La Cruz. Jimenez. Valenzuela.
Good ball.
Barakio. Kaasi drops that ball and that will be a point for Team Anda. Aquino para sa free ball. Jimenez, back sets to Kaasi.
Back-to-back points for jersey number 2. Valenzuela received De La Cruz sa gitna and she finds the corner.
Ocado now serving. Jimenez to Aguilar. Ocado to Barakio. Kaasi sets it to Aguilar. Andun si Castro. Free ball ni Magat.
Good ball.
Jimenez to Kaasi. That is inside. Point for Team Anda. Jimenez. No, that's Valenzuela. De La Cruz to Barakio.
Another error for Team Labrador. 3-point lead here for Team Anda.
Services for Team Anda.
And early timeout here for Team Labrador. Our official score is 6-2 in favor of Team Anda. Jimenez is set sa open. Ocado, De La Cruz, back set to Barraquio, and that is inside. Good timeout for Team Labrador. And a service ace for jersey number 1, Barraquio.
Barraquio serving. That is outside. Point for Team Anda. Kaasi. De La Cruz back sets 2. Attack error for Team Labrador.
Serving, Kaasi. Good reception, De La Cruz. Underhands it to Castro. And five-point lead. Team Anda. Still serving, jersey number 2. De La Cruz is set kay Aquino. Attack error. Medyo lumulobo na po ang kalamangan dito ng Team Anda sa ating second set.
Substitution.
Substitution, Castro out, Palisok in.
Kaasi. Nandun si Barraquio. De La Cruz tinaas para kay Ocado sa likod, but it is outside. Still a point for Team Anda. 11 serving 4. Kaasi. Service ace.
Lumobo na sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Team Anda. They need to have a good first ball. De La Cruz to Palisok, and Palisok stops the bleeding.
Aquino now serving. Service ace for Aquino.
Still serving, Aquino. Jimenez is set sa open. Ocado to Palisok, ginawa ng paraan. Andun si Ocado. De La Cruz chases, free ball for Team Anda. Jimenez sa gitna. Saved. Another free ball for Team Anda. Free ball. Jimenez itataas para kay Kaasi sa likod. to Palisok, and Palisok ends the rally.
Three-zero run here for Team Labrador. Aquino still serving. Jimenez to Aguilar. De La Cruz to Ballesteros. Free ball ihahatid para sa Team Labrador. De La Cruz to Ballesteros. Jimenez to Aguilar, not over. And Team Anda will be forced to call for time. Down to a 4-point lead. 12-8. Aquino. Jimenez sa gitna kay Valenzuela. Nodas Camero. Ocado.
Valenzuela from the pipe. De La Cruz joust. Won by Team Labrador. This is a 5-0 run for Team Labrador. Aquino, good serve. Kaasi itataas ang bola para kay Aguilar, but another error. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Anda.
Aquino. Valenzuela is there. Jimenez, tinaas para kay Kaasi. Over-receive. Jimenez. Aguilar. Baracchio is there. Palisok. That won't go through. Point for Team Anda.
Good serve. De La Cruz, 1-2 play. Point for Team Labrador.
Palisok. Serving.
And that is a service ace for the captain, Palisok.
Palisok. Jimenez 1-2 play.
Valenzuela. Jimenez is set para sa open. De La Cruz. To Ocado. Valenzuela. Too strong on that hit.
And guess what? From
Oh.
8-point lead, we are now tied at all 13. Serving team captain, Palisok.
Jimenez chases. Free ball for Team Labrador. To Ocado. Dog. Valenzuela straight to the net. Another attack error for Team Anda. Lamang na po ng isa ang Team Labrador.
Palisok.
Another deadlock at 14.
Camero now serving. Another service error committed by Team Labrador. Serving jersey number 9, De La Cruz. Jimenez. Balon. That is called net violation for Team Labrador. They're still tied at 15. Jimenez.
Over-received, Regalo.
Point for Team Anda. Balik ang kalamangan sa Team Anda.
And the service ace for Jimenez.
Jimenez. Andun si Palisok. Baracchio to Ocado.
And bumawi ka agad sa kanyang error kanina.
Serving jersey number 5, Ballesteros. Good serve. Jimenez. Back sets to Kaasi. And that point will go for Team Anda.
Good ball. Over-received. De La Cruz to Baracchio. Kaasi and attack error again for Team Anda.
Ocado. Good serve. Jimenez tinas para kay Kaasi. Off-speed attack. De La Cruz to Palisok.
Net violation there for Team Anda. Jersey number 3, Valenzuela. Still serving.
That is outside. Point for Team Anda. 19 serving 18. Team captain now serving. Valenzuela.
Deadlock again at 19.
Now serving jersey number 1, Baracchio. And a service ace, courtesy of jersey number 1, Baracchio. Baracchio. Jimenez, 1-2 play. That is outside. Point for Team Labrador.
Still serving. Jersey number 1, Baracchio. Tinaas. And error again for Team Anda. At tatawag na po ng last timeout itong Team Anda dahil tatlo na po ang kanilang kalamangan.
Jersey number 1 serving, Barakyo. Free ball para sa Team Labrador. De La Cruz. Sa gitna para kay Aquino. Kasi gives a free ball. Ocado. Misreceives that one. Jersey number 2 now serving, Kasi.
And that is a service ace.
Down to a 1-point lead here for Team Labrador. Kaasi. De La Cruz. Palisok. Jimenez.
De La Cruz isiset para kay Palisok. Deflected. Tinaas. Free ball again for Team Labrador. De La Cruz ibibigay kay Aquino. Doug. Set kay Custudio. And we are tied at 22.
Kaasi still serving.
Crucial service error there for jersey number 2. (23) serving, 22.
Aquino. Free ball para sa Team Labrador. That
And
is inside.
binitawan nila, akala nila yes, mag-outside na yon. But that catches the line. 23 all. Serving jersey number 4, Custudio. Palisok finds the corner. And we are now at a match point.
And serving for the match, jersey number 15, Palisok. Free ball. De La Cruz. Dog. Free ball para sa Team Labrador. De La Cruz. To Ballesteros. Block! We are tied at 24.
This is raised to 26. And a service error committed by Camero. Match point number 2 for Team Labrador.
De La Cruz.
And a service ace for jersey number 9. Nanalo po ang Team Labrador in 2 straight sets laban sa Team Anda.
And that ends our fourth game here at the Western Conference Pangasinan. We witnessed a nice game and syempre kita natin ang hustle ng Team Labrador. Kaya naman sila ang nakakuha ng panalo on our fourth game. And joining me right now is our best player of the game from the winning team, Team Labrador. None other than Palisok, having 8 attacks and one ace, the total of 9 points. So, first of all, congratulations for winning on this game and for being the best player of the game. With that kind of performance kanina, nakita namin na medyo lumamang ang other team kanina on second set. Ano naman ang adjustment or ginawa ninyong play sa loob ng court para makuha nyo ang panalo on this match?
In-adjust namin yung mga defense namin kasi nakulangan talaga kami nung sa gitna ng second set. At saka yung mga service na not over lagi.
Can you share with us, sino naman ang naging motivation mo or inspiration mo sa pagiging POG mo ngayon?
Siyempre yung parents ko, of course. Yun naman ang pinakauna.
Lastly, sino yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan na supporters ninyo and shout out na fans ninyo na nanonood ngayon on our live stream?
Binabati ko po yung parents ko na nandito din nanonood at sa papa ko na nasa bahay at sa mga pinsan ko sa Arenas family at sa Palisok family at sa mga teammates ko, and also thank you po kay Mayor Uson and kay Vice Mayor Soray. At shout out daw po kay Sayla, sa mga teammates ko po, tsaka kay Mikmik na nandito nanonood. Ay, si Den.
Yan, okay. Again, congratulations on winning on this game and for being the best player of the game. Pangasinan, di pa po natatapos ang intense game here at the Western Conference Women's Division. Abangan niyo po ulit kami on our last game. Again, this is Marnian Fabito, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.